Are you tired of having to keep reapplying your lipsticks? Ashley London has the perfect solution for you. So if you want to purchase these ultra luxurious dreamy lipsticks, watch out my video. Hey everyone, I am back with another makeup goodies which I used to keep adding in my makeup drawer, and you would all love to know that are the finest pieces from Ashley London's collection. Wow, I made my name initial with it. Here I am talking you about Ashley London lipstick collection. They are vitamin E and long-lasting matte and velvet lipsticks. I will share each and every single one with lipstick shade so that you guys know about each and everything about it. They also have sparkling collection. I will separate them and show it to you. Price and packaging vary due to different lipstick collection. It has stunning shades also vary. All of them have different packaging, as you can see. Some are curvy and some are square. You can find all of them at different stores, even online as well. I got it from Makeup City. Now I will separate them. Let's start with Ashley London Velvet Lipsticks. Its price is rupees 1410. Let me show its shade. This is Pink Charm, shade 56. It is very vibrant shade in pink tone, or you can say shocking pink tone. And the next is nude shade peach tone. It is looking like tea pink, but after applying on lips it gives a nude peach tone. They have satin finish, silky matte formula. It won't smudge. They are rich in pigment, comfortable, long lasting up to 8 hours, creamy texture, moisturizing and nourish the lips. Now next is Ashley London Matte Moist Lipstick. Its price is rupees 1120. Its shade is 116, that is nude with beige tone. Let me show you. It is ultra smooth, high coverage, give your lips vibrant color in just one swipe, matte finish, long lasting. That's all about it. Now next is Ashley London Sparkling Lipstick. They sparkle after applying. ये न्यू कलेक्शन है, ये मर्जेंटा शेड की पैकेजिंग है. Let me show you. Number 1 is बहुत ही डिफरेंट सा शेड है. ये शेड नंबर इज S101. I can't recognize, but after applying it gives you a silvery look. It is looking like that it belongs to a pink family, but applying on your lips it gives a silvery shade. Next is shade S109. It is a magenta shade with sparkle. It has a little shimmer in it. It looks shimmery after applying on your lips. They are also moisturizing, nourishing. Its cost is rupees 220. It is very cheap, doesn't feel heavy on lips, stays long, highly pigmented, soft creamy formula, rich color, shiny as I told you, smooth. They all are pocket friendly. They all have chocolatey smell. Matte one is not fully matte. I hope you will find this review helpful and interesting. Maybe your point of view will be different from mine. I'll tell you what I have experienced. This is not for promotion. If you have any query, then comment in comment box section and subscribe to my channel to find out more reviews like this one.